India's favorite family car has made a comeback with the launch of the new Alto K10 by Maruti Suzuki. In this video we are going to cover the 5 reasons to consider purchasing the new Alto K10. First, pricing and engine. The new Alto K10 has been priced at 3.99 lakh rupees ex-showroom for the base standard version. It comes in 6 different variants: Standard, LXI, VXI, VXI Plus, VXI Automatic and the top VXI Plus Automatic, which is priced at 5.84 lakh rupees. The new Alto K10 is based on Maruti Suzuki's 5th generation Tech platform. K10 draws power from a 1-liter K10C dual-jet VVT motor which can dish out 65 brake horsepower and 89 Nm of max torque. Transmission options include a standard 5-speed manual and a 5-speed AMT. Fuel tank capacity of the Alto K10 is 27 liters with claimed mileage figures of 24.39 km per liter for the manual transmission and 24.9 km per liter for the AMT version. 2. Colors and design. The new Alto K10 is offered in 6 color variants: solid white, silky silver, granite grey, speedy blue, sizzling red and earth gold. From a design perspective, the hatchback has been given a new front grille, headlamps, front bumper and bonnet as compared to the old models. The Alto K10 is 3,530 mm in length, 1,490 mm in width, 1,520 mm in height and has a wheelbase of 2,380 mm. It's provided with 13-inch tires and has a boot space of 214 liters. 3. Features. The cabin of the new Alto K10 also gets several significant changes. The biggest among them is the Smart Play touchscreen infotainment system, which gets Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Other changes include advanced features like remote key access, electrically adjustable ORVMs and steering-mounted controls. 4. Safety. Safety features in the Alto K10 include ABS with EBD, dual front airbags, speed sensing door lock, etc. 5. Upgrades. At the time of launch of the Alto K10, Maruti also shared that its new hatchback will be offered with 2 accessory packs and multiple accessory items. The 2 packs, called Glinto and Impacto, are priced in the range of 25,590 rupees to 32,990 rupees. The Glinto pack consists of a window frame kit, 3D floor mats, and various garnishes. The Impacto pack includes orange garnishes, seat covers, and interior styling kit. Apart from the 2 packs, a bunch of exterior and interior individual accessories are also available. Hope this video was helpful in providing detailed information for the new Alto K10. Do let us know in the comments your views about the new Alto K10. For more such videos, subscribe to Car Bytes.